In this video, I will show you how to edit menu items on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, as you can see, this is a preview of my website. And when I click on these three lines, I have this option here for my menu. I only have three. So if you want to add or remove the menu items, you can head over to your Shopify dashboard. After that, click on the navigation right here. And then in here, you should be able to see the options in here for footer menu as well as the main menu. So on our main menu, we have home, catalog, and contact, which we have right here. So this is the main menu. So click on this main menu right here. And for example, you want to delete this item. So click on this delete right here and remove it. Now, if you want to add a menu item, you can head over and click on this add right here. And then just look for the actual page that we want. So for example, in here, you can also just browse however you want. So for example, let's click on products. And then let's click on this all products right here. And you can also name this as well. Click on add right here. And as you can see, we have added that. So let's add some more things. Like for example, in here, a page that we want. And let's add this privacy policy and click on add option. And we have now 4 items. So click on the save option. And then this will be saved. So let's head now on my actual website and let's refresh it. And now once I have refreshed it and click on these 3 lines, it will take some time for this in order to actually reflect on my website. But once it does, we should be able to see the newly created ones on our website, as you can see right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.